So if you're trying to land your Mavic in a strong breeze like right now, so you're gonna flip. If you have a Phantom 4 or Phantom Pro with this kind of condition, you need to have a body like that. You see how platform it is? So when you land on the wind, it's not gonna flip your Mavic over. So even though you land in an extreme condition, you can still able to manage to land it right without flipping over. You see what I'm talking about? See, on the Phantom, you can't do that. You'll flip over. So you gotta buy like a special kind of landing gear for it, but it's still gonna flip over because the way they designed the quad. But this one right here, it's pretty awesome. You know, still giving you, I mean, look at the gimbal in this thing. So I don't know what people say, oh, you know, it's a lightweight drone, this, that, it can't handle the wind. Right, let me tell you right now, if you use any kind of quadcopter right now, it's gonna go that direction. I don't care what you say. This extreme condition is gonna fall. But the Mavic can still handle the wind. Yeah. For about 4 minutes. And the flight time is still pretty good. Look at that, still managing. Still managing. So it's a good job. So even though the wind is blowing this direction, you can still land it. You can still land it any direction you want. Backwards, forward, or whatever. See, here you go. I'm gonna do auto land. I don't really do it on the strong winds, but this one right here is a Mavic. You know, you can trust it. So look how that thing landing. So, oh, I still have to tap the landing. That's pretty cool. I like that. So it still give you that option. You wanna, you wanna go land. Okay. See? So it's gonna land for you any direction you want. So that's the good thing about this drone. So I think it can handle the breeze pretty good.